Ntando is back home, but he wants nothing to do with her mother or his mother. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on QGEBEHA the Empire from the 21st to 25th of October 2024 on Monday. Msimelo clashes with his family over the determination to find Ntando. Hlumelo investigates Lulama without raising alarms. Zimkita receives a tip-off about Ntando on Tuesday. Hlumelo find out Lulama's biggest secret yet. Zimkita and Msimelo band together to find Ntando, but they don't like the outcome of their search on Wednesday. Hlumelo gets Lulama exactly where he wants her. Zimkita doesn't want to accept the possibility of Ntando being lost forever. Sivile and Kubevu are worried about Msimelo on Thursday. With the help of a new ally, Hlumelo manages to be 2 steps ahead of Tulani and covers his tricks. And the prodigal son returns, but wants nothing to do with the mother on Friday. Lulama works for Hlumelo, which hampers Tulani's effort to find the truth. Ntando wants nothing to do with his mother, and Nozugo and Nomafulawa clash over the wedding. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.